It's a question that concerns most parents on a regular basis. What is your child eating for lunch? This week, public schools across the nation celebrate National School Lunch Week. It's an invitation for parents to see what goes into every school meal. Ituria Elementary in Brownsville gave us an inside look at their kitchen.
We enjoy having the parents here because we get to share not only the procedure that takes place as they walk into our cafeteria, they grab their tray, but also so they can see and enjoy and taste the food that their children have during the 30-minute lunch that they have.
The Brownsville Independent School District is one of many Valley districts to offer free food. For Ituria Elementary, that's about 600 meals a day.